In today's video, I'm going to share with you my new favorite product from Amazon and how it's saving us a lot of money. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm doing a product review and I am kicking myself that we didn't get this product sooner. When we sold our home and started our RV life almost 6 years ago, we had no idea what a pain it would be to go to a laundromat each week. Not only is it always a pain to find a nice and clean laundromat wherever we are, but the money we have spent is ridiculous. I just added it up and we've been RVing for about 249 weeks at the time of this video, and on average we spend about $10 a week. So that's $2,490 we have wasted so far. That is crazy. We just bought this amazing portable washing machine for $130, including tax and shipping. How did we not know about this already? So if you didn't know about it either, we want to make sure to tell you all about it because it is awesome. This is the ZENY Portable Washing Machine, and I am super impressed with it. This is perfect for RVers, for people who live in an apartment, for college kids, for anyone who has to use a laundromat. This now solves so many issues and saves a lot of money and time. It has a 13-pound capacity and does an awesome job washing, rinsing, and spinning the clothes exactly like a regular washer. It is so lightweight, and we keep it in the shower to store it and actually use it there, which works perfectly. And then when we get a shower, it's so easy to just set in our kitchen until we're done. I have used this now for about 6 loads and am still in awe of what it can do. It's gotten stains out, everything's clean and smells good. It is awesome. Now, I don't have a dryer, but this spinner gets the clothes so close to dry that you just need to hang them up for a little bit and they will be completely dry in no time. So let me show you step by step how this works and what a great job it does. Step 1. Fill tub with water. Some people put their clothes in first, but I personally like to fill the tub about 2/3 full, add my soap, and start to agitate the water so the soap is all mixed in. Then I add my clothes. Tip: it is way easier if you can use your shower head to fill the tub instead of the water hose that they give you. Tip: set an alarm for yourself while filling. If you get distracted, you will have a flood. Tip: make sure your knob is not set to drain or the water you're adding will start to drain out of the drain hose. Step 2. Start timer to agitate water. It doesn't matter what you set this on right now because you will start the actual timer once you have all of your clothes added. Step 3. Add in the soap. I figure a full load is only about 1/3 of a regular full load, so I add in no more than 1/3 cap of soap. Tip: use soap sparingly because it really suds up. Step 4. Add in clothes. I add in the clothes one piece at a time so I can monitor the water. You may need to add in more water. Make sure your clothes are covered with water and it's agitating easily. Tip: do not overfill. Make sure you do not add in too many items so the motor is not struggling to agitate. If you're doing towels, it seems that 2 at a time is all it can easily handle with just a couple additional light items. Also, make sure you have enough water. Sometimes adding water is all it takes to agitate smoothly. Step 5. Set timer to wash. Once your clothes are all in, you can now set your timer to start the full cycle. I always go with 15 minutes. You have shorter options if you want. Tip: set your own timer with alarm because the wash timer does not make a noise when it's done. Tip: do not leave washer unattended as your clothes can become tangled and it could become unbalanced at this point, so you may need to make adjustments. Step 6. Drain. Remove drain hose from the holder and place near your drain or in a bucket. Turn the knob to drain the water. Since the drain works from gravity and it's so low, if you use a bucket, you won't be able to get all of the water out of it and it will stay in the machine or in the bottom of the hose. Tip: if you are in an RV, open up your gray tank valve to make sure you will not be flooding your bathroom. Tip: you will want to have a screen over your drain to catch all of the lint, or you will have a clogged drain pretty quickly. Tip: make sure that your electrical cord is not too close to the water. Our shower is sloped toward the drain, so no water reaches the back of the washer, plus we have about 3 inches before the water level would reach the plug. Do not leave unattended and make sure you're safe. Step 7. Fill with water to rinse. Once the water is drained, turn back to standard and fill with water to cover clothes again. Do not add soap, but add in fabric softener at this point if you want. Step 8. Set timer to rinse. I always do about half the time of the wash, so I go for around 7 minutes for rinse. Step 9. Drain. Once the timer stops, turn to drain the water again, keeping in mind all the tips I previously mentioned. Step 10. Transfer clothes to spinner basket. The spin side is about half the size of the wash tub, so split your load and do not overfill. Place the plastic cover over your clothes and shut both lids to start. Step 11. Set timer to spin. I always set timer for the full 5 minutes, and it works amazingly well to get them very close to dry. Tip: when this starts to spin, it shakes a lot and can move around. Hold on to washer until it balances out and make sure your clothes do not need adjusted. Tip: keep the setting on drain to continue draining the water during the spin cycle. Step 12. Repeat spinning. Continue the spin cycle for the rest of your clothes. Step 13. Shake out all the wrinkles and either lay flat on drying rack or hang clothes to finish drying, and you are done. We will have all the links to the products we use in the description below. I could not be happier with this washing machine. Randy's happy about saving the money, but I'm the one that actually goes to the laundromat, so I am super excited about finding this product. So as always, if you like this video, please do us a favor and give it a thumbs up. And comment below and tell us if you knew this product even existed. Also, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more of our product reviews like this one, more RV tips, and places that we travel to. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Feet up on the dash and the calling open road. Road trip classics on the radio. With your hand tied in mine, there's no such thing as time. Now we can go and